Hey everyone, big game out again with another hotel video, and today we're staying in this place. It is called the Riverside Guest House in Wiggenhall, St Germans, not far from King's Lynn. So yeah, let's go and have a look at the place. We've got this lovely little garden bit, reserved parking here, little car park. But yeah, it's just in a little road. It's got a nice little pub across the river we're going to go to later as well. But yeah, we're staying in that room up there. We've already checked in, so we are here in the Riverbank Guest House. Right, let's go in and have a look. Well, so as you walk in, you've got the little kitchen area here where they make you breakfast in the morning. Do have to pay extra for breakfast, but I've ordered a full English. And then in here, the woman has said can help ourselves to whatever we want. If we get any midnight munchies or snacks or anything, we've got a bit of everything. So all your tea and coffee facilities. Got some croissants, waffles, bread there. We've got all your sauces, cutlery, glasses and plates. And then you've got your little Weetabix, oat milk. There's a muffin there and some other cereals. Don't know what's in here, whether it's just milk or there's actually yogurts as well. That's quite good. That's nice to use. But yeah, milk and yogurts. Yeah, this is where we're going to come and have breakfast in the morning. It's all nicely set up. Probably just sit over here on this little table out of the way. Right, let's go upstairs, look at the room. So here we are at the top of the landing. Not sure if anyone else is in these rooms, so we'll be quiet. But we're all the way down here in room number 5. So yeah, Karen's already in there, listening to loud music. So let's go and turn it off. All right, here we are in the room. Not really a lot to show you. We've got a mirror on the wall. Got a few coat hangers and stuff. We've got a fan when it gets hot. We've got a couple of radiators in here. There's a big bed. Yep. There's a Karen.
Hello.
Are you enjoying your little chair there?
I am, yeah, it's a comfy chair actually.
Yeah, she's just to kind of sit in the corner and be quiet. She's relaxing. She wants to go to the pub. She's telling me to hurry up. All right, so you've got a slopey room here. Got the old smoke detector as always. So you've got this little bit over here. When it's a bit colder in winter, you've got like a spare blanket there. Another mirror, some tissues. Don't know why I need them in the room. But Karen's got some snacks. She's also taken over this cupboard with all her stuff. I don't know why she brings so much stuff up for one night. But yeah, this you can just pull across. Close it all away. Nice little built-in wardrobe type thing. You've got a bedside table there. Extension lead on the floor. One extra plug with a little lamp on it. Got this bed. It's not the very big bed. Got some towels. But the bed's quite comfy. I've had a lay on it.
I like the colours they've used, the purple and the teal.
Yeah? What about the wallpaper?
Yeah, I think it complements the
gold
room.
and silver.
Yeah, it's nice.
And this lovely lampshade they got.
Yeah.
But yeah, we've got my side of the bed here. We've got a plug-in radiator, which I've unplugged because I wanted to plug my phone charger in. But yeah, we've got a beer from the old beer shop round the corner. Oh, it's good day. It's a little treat. But yeah, these ain't the best. They're just a decoration, don't lay on them. But yeah, we've got Karen. You enjoying yourself there?
I am, yeah.
Got these lovely purple curtains, which I'm hoping going to keep the light out tonight.
Yeah, they're quite dark, so they should do.
Got a lovely
blind as well to pull down.
Got a lovely little flower. There's a blind as well, is there? Oh yeah, there's a blind as well.
Blind.
And we've got a great view of the river. This is why it's called Riverbank. We're on the Riverbank.
Riverbank, yes.
The pub is literally, I don't know if you can see it from here. It's that building there. That is the pub. Next to the church. Crown and Anchor, is it? Right, that's where Karen's already looked it up. Is that where you're going, is it?
I drove past, you see. I think it was called the Crown and Anchor.
Are you getting some food in there as well, are you?
Possibly, yeah.
They do dinner, do they?
Probably, yeah. I'd have
Yeah,
thought so.
she's already looked it up.
I haven't looked it up actually.
She knows.
Not yet.
Got a TV on the wall. Got this little tiny table here with a fridge on it. Just a little bit of information. There's the address. I will link all this down below. I'll tell you how much it cost me in a minute. So yeah, kettle. Haven't looked to see if it's clean or not. Yeah, oh, that's a good one, that is. Near enough brand new. But yeah, got like tea and coffee. PG tips. Sugar cube's got there's chocolates in there as well, Karen. You can't have that. What a change.
It's chocolate.
There's chocolate in there, look.
I'll
Oh.
take it home and have it another time.
Oh. Karen can't eat chocolate, mate. Why is that, Karen?
I'm giving up chocolate for Lent. Not
Yeah.
for religious reasons, but for health reasons.
She's trying to be a bit more healthier for a
Trying to
month.
be a bit healthier, lose a bit of weight, and hopefully clear up my face a bit. Because I've got like adult acne or rosacea at the moment.
Yeah.
I just want to clear my skin up, really.
I was going to give up beer, but it's my birthday tomorrow, so
Oh,
that went out the window.
For your birthday.
Exactly.
The day before.
All right, and then I like this little fridge. We've got to open it carefully. All right, and what's it got in it? Oh, what's this? It's a tiny little milk bowl. Look at that. That's quite cute, ain't it?
Yeah, it's very cute.
So yeah, that is the bedroom.
Yeah.
Karen's had the TV on, listening to music, sitting there looking out the window.
Yeah.
Enjoying life.
Lazy out the window.
Right, let's go show you the bathroom. And here's the bathroom. Yes. I don't know why it's called a bathroom. I think they call it a shower room these days. It's very echoey. So we've got a nice heated... Oh, that's really hot. It's on at the moment. Heated towel rack, towel rail. Got a nice mirror. Hello, everyone. Got the little sink with a little bin down there with some antibacterial hand wash. How's the window looking? I don't think it's a mirrored one. There you go, you can see straight out of that one. Have to remember to keep that blind down. People don't want to see me when I get out of the shower. Or in the shower, should I say, as well. We've got the toilet. Yeah. And we've got this big shower. Quite a good shower, this. Get at least 2 people in there. I mean, the ceiling ain't the best. Paintwork's all coming away, but what do you expect? So yeah, this is our room for the night. Quite pleased with it, especially this bathroom. It's very nice. I like the green and white effect. Don't know what this is. It's a stain on the wall, is it? I don't know. But yeah, we're going to go down the pub. We'll show you what the pub's like. And we'll show you what the breakfast is like in the morning. Oh. So there's our guest house right there. And there's the pub. And just literally got to cross this river. Right, let's get to the pub. So sadly, the pub don't sell any food, and none of the villagers got any takeaways. But there's a nice little Nissa local, so yeah, we've had to get food from there tonight.
Bag of food.
Yeah, that's our dinner. And that's it. Our stay here at Riverbank is done. So great night overall. Bed was really comfy. I quite like that. There's firm pillars on it. Now I have soft pillars at home, but I think I might have to change the firm pillars. I normally have 3 indoors. I've used 2 here. It was actually really comfy. I had a great night's sleep. So I might have to change my pillar habits. But I was going to give you a nice view, but as you can see, look at that sun shining through here. So you have to look at the curtains, I'm afraid. But there is a lovely view of the river there, as you would have seen in the video. Breakfast, oh, that was lovely. Can't fault that. Other than chipolatas on there. Could have done with some sausages. Some nice local sausages would have been nicer. But the chipolatas, they had great flavour on them. Can't argue with that. Kaz was happy with her pancakes.
Yeah.
What was that, Kaz? Say a bit louder.
Yeah, they're really nice. Really tasty. Have lemon and sugar on them.
There you go. She had lemon and sugar on them. Now, what did I pay for this? Now, it was meant to be £57. But that's because I have the 10% discount on bookings.com. And also, they give you a £4 voucher back. So it was 57. I got the 10% off, which took it. No, whatever it was now. Basically, it's cost me £53, but I've got a £4 voucher to use as well. So it's technically only £49. So yeah, confusing with the prices. I can't remember what it was before. Random, probably just under 60. But yeah, well worth the visit. I'll say there was nowhere to eat here though. The pub, the only pub around here, what sold food, stopped selling food in December, was it, Kaz?
Yeah, December last year they only reopened, so they stopped selling food.
So there's nowhere to get food here. So if you do come here, you're going to need a car to go and drive somewhere, or you'll have to end up like us with a Nissa local, a couple of sandwiches. So yeah, other than that, great stay, great night, great hosts, lovely down there with having breakfast. Couldn't like ask us enough questions if we was happy and stuff. So yeah, I will say the breakfast you have to pay extra for. My breakfast for the full English was £11 and Kaz's pancakes were £4. But yeah, well worth the money. So yeah, that's another one of these little hotel videos done, or B&B as this one is. Next, we're going to stay in an apartment, which Kaz has booked me for my birthday. So yeah, we're looking forward to that. So we're going to have a living room, a kitchen, a bedroom, a bathroom. So yeah, a big tour on that one. So yeah, catch you in that one. As always, thank you all for watching. See you in the next one. Bye for now. I'm going to say bye, Kaz.
Bye.
Bye.